always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. And hello, Fox. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling excited.
Why are you excited, Fox?
I'm excited for the letter of the day.
Well then, let's check the letter board. Today's letter is X. X makes the sound X at the end of fox. Fox, repeat after me. X, X, fox.
Fox.
Now you try.
Fox.
Excellent.
F-O-X spells my name. Fox. Hey, everyone! Today's letter is in my name.
Here are more things that end with X.
Sax. Sax ends with X. Sax. X-ray. X-ray begins with X. X-ray. Axe. Axe ends with X. Axe. Fox. Fox ends with X. Fox. Hello. Box. Box ends with X. Box. X.
That's right, the letter X.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say X.
X.
All right, say it again.
X.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter X, letter X. What's that letter? Letter X. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
X, X, X. At the end of fox. X, X, X. At the end of six. X, X, X. At the end of box. X, X, X. At the end of sax. That's the letter X.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. That's the letter X.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
X.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter X. Letter X. What's that letter?
Yes,
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
absolutely. Let's practice making the letter X. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah. X.
Great!
I'll try next. X. Ah.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. X. Ooh.
Nice job!
My turn. X.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
X.
Exactly. Uppercase X. And what's this letter?
X.
That's right. Lowercase x. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! X!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called When I Grow Up. There are so many things you can be when you grow up. Let's read about some of them. Let's begin. When I Grow Up, written by Michelle Fry, illustrated by Simone van der Spee, designed by Jennifer Jacobs. What do I want to be when I grow up? When I grow up, I want to be a dancer and dance on a stage. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter and put out big fires. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse and make sick people better. When I grow up, I want to be a musician and play in a band. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanic and fix cars and tractors. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher and teach children to read and write. When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player and score the winning goal. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut and fly to the moon. When I grow up, I want to be a chef and make food for my family and friends. When I grow up, I can choose whatever I want to be. What do you want to be when you grow up? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, everybody. It's time to sing a song together. This is a song about playing with your friends. Are you ready to sing and play?
I love to sing.
And I love to play.
Perfect! I'll sing it first, and then we'll all sing together. Hey, hey, oh, playmate, come out and play with me. And bring your dollies 3. Climb up my apple tree. Slide down my rainbow into my cellar door. And we'll be jolly friends forevermore, more. Now everybody join in. I want to hear you too.
Hey, hey, oh playmate, come out and play with me. And bring your dollies 3. Climb up my apple tree. Slide down my rainbow into my cellar door. And we'll be jolly friends forevermore, more.
Thank you so much for singing with me.
Let's go climb trees.
Yay! Yes! Oh,
Yes!
yeah!
All
Yes!
right, let's do it. Bye, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog!
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again. Which ant is black? There it is. Black ant. Which dog is black? There it is. Black dog. Which feather is black? There it is. Black feather. Which bowl is black? There it is. Black bowl. Very good.
Hi, Fox. What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Oh, patterns? Goody! What are patterns? They're designs that repeat. Look! Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle. What comes next? I'm not sure. A rectangle. Let's say the names of the shapes together. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Triangle, rectangle. Right! Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure! Let's make another pattern with these same shapes. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle. What comes next? Triangle. You got it! Let's say it together. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. the pattern? Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Oh, that's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. My pattern is going to use shapes and colors. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle. Do you know what comes next? A white triangle. That's it! All together. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Do you want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends! See you later, too!
Oh, hi! It's so nice to see you. Let's listen to some quiet music together. That was very nice. Thanks for visiting. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.